Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new tutorial, and I know you're going to like this particular one. That's why I'm doing it. You see this picture I shot? There are also ways to remove all these things, but that's not what I want to do now. I want to remove this makeup stain from this dress. Now, if I go through the old method, which is probably just desaturating the dress like this, you see that black thing still showing there. So I will have to go through the process of inverting it. Then let me just keep it on first, then going there to maybe just increase curve a little, just to reduce that, then probably merge both of them together on an inverted mask and start painting. But even if I do it like this, you still see one or two errors that would occur here, which is something like this. Then you start thinking of, okay, let me bring this down. But when you want to bring that down, that thing start coming out. You want to also reduce this to match the dress, or you start trying to just go through the colors just to match that, because like what I'm trying to say is the process is just too long. But guess what? Because of the use of AI, if you're one of those persons that have AI and you're not using it, then you're missing a lot. Because of the use of AI, I have been able to just, with a simple prompt, what did I write? Remove stains, and it moved from here to here. And it did not just remove the stains, it also tries straightening the dress for me. So now I have a more better dress than what I had before. Here is your before, here is your after. You see this line now, you have the option to continue generating. But for me, I feel like that's not really much of a problem. That is why I'm leaving it. So I said I should share. Let it not be like I'm a very stingy person. I should share. You understand? When you two have the opportunity, you should share. Peledekberry. Nafa. See you in another video. Peace out.